Welcome to the Checkout Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how to make Swish the first payment option for customers in Sweden using the Next Reorder app. So this helps Swedish customers quickly choose their preferred payment method. So if you are looking for Shopify app to hide, rename and reorder payment and shipping method, check out the Next Reorder app. The link is in the description below. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First, we can go to the app section. Here we can click on Next Reorder app. So to reorder the payment method, we can click on Quick Reorder Payment Method. So here to configure the rule, we have to give the rule name, so that here I'm giving like okay. Now the rule status is activated. Here we can go select the payment method. Here I'm selecting this. Okay, now there is display order is I'm giving the first position. So here we have to apply the condition, so that click on add condition and here select the shipping country and click on add condition. Small one of select the country. Here I'm selecting Sweden. Okay, now click on done. Okay, before that we can go to the online store and let's see in what position what payment method is. Okay, now go to the cart and click on checkout. Okay, here in Sweden itself, we can see that the payment method is now in this position. So the Swish is in last position. So here in row, we can click on save. And let's see. Okay, now the row has been created. Go to the checkout and let's refresh it. Okay, now we can see that the Swish payment method is now in first option for Sweden. So that's it. So it is displayed as first payment option for customers in Sweden. Okay, now we have successfully made Swish the first payment option for Swedish shoppers using the Next Reorder app. So if you found this helpful, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.